What is up, guys? Ivan Alcocer here. Today I'll be showing you Lego Sonic the Hedgehog Sonic's Campfire Clash. And also it comes with the Sonic right here, and he could defeat the robot. Wow. And back over here on this Legos, it says Sonic could also have the little marshmallow right there that he's roasting in the campfire. And then he could also defeat this robot. And then there's this thing of Buzz Bomber, I think it is. And it comes with also a little turtle right there. And that's how it comes with. Now let's get this opened. Okay, so let me take everything out. So I got instructions. And then, let's see, package number 1. And then here's the other pieces. Package number 2. And that's what it all comes with inside. Let's just take all the pieces out. Let me just pour some out, and let me pour other ones out. And there's the other ones. Let me just pour some. And there we go, guys. Check out all the pieces I got now. And there they all are. Now, let's build this all up. Here's the Legos all built up, guys. So I built this robot right here, and then also, guys, I built the other robot here that comes with the little turtle right here on the back. Well, it's got trouble standing. We'll just leave it. And I built 2 rings, and then over here it's the campfire, and you can see there's wood right there, and then there's the marshmallow on the stick, and then over here, guys, let me stand this first. And there's rings. And then there's Sonic inside this little blue ball. And watch this. Wow. It can shoot out. That's so cool. And I'll show this in another way. Guys, he is now holding the marshmallow on a stick and roasting the marshmallow. And you can see the chair spins on him. And look at this. And I'll show you how he can also defeat this robot. I'll show you. Okay, so he's going to defeat this robot. And 3, 2, 1. Oh, wrong. 3, 2, 1. Oh, it's too hard. There we go. He got him. Well, guys, I love this Lego set. Well, let me just set these right over here. Let me put them, stand the robot. And the rings too. Let's put them here. Ugh. Oh, I forgot to say it comes with an emerald here. Let me just stand the robot. Well, guys, this was my review on the Sonic Campfire class. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you have a great day. Bye, and subscribe.